Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create profile on Kik website. So what you're going to do is open your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, or any web browser. After that, you will need to search for kik.com. And now it will have an access to the website, and now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, or if you don't have ready an existent account, you will just need to click on sign up basically. So you can just sign in for with your informations, for your personal information, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple accounts. In my case, I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. So you just need to choose which account would you like to use, and then just give the information. Just give your username, and then birthday date. I will just give random information, and just click save. And just press accept. And the policies of the website, then you'll be able to access the website. So that's it. That's how you make a profile on Kik. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!